West Point. Sweet find in award-winning West Point school area, only minutes from the schools. This cute home offers a large great room with hardwood floor, large kitchen area with recessed lighting. 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom, laundry area and a mud room. The home has heat pump with central AC, front deck, side fenced yard, great for pets or gardens, and 2 storage sheds. The property is being sold as is. You will value the public water, sewage, and trash pickup. Working at West Rock? This home is perfect location for that. Makes a great starter home or weekend home as well. Don't miss this cute as can be home, and also there is open land for garden area. Don't miss this one. Affordable, nice housing in West Point.